coming out. Oh, they're swarming. Fellas, we're back at the shop.
Don't get camera shy now.
Doug said he's camera shy.
Nah, not me.
Duggie Fresh?
You don't want to be on YouTube.
Oh shit, we're gonna have to cut you out then, bro. We're gonna have to cut you out.
Be on YouTube, man.
What's up, Doug? How you been?
Duggie Fresh is here. We're gonna clean up some of these weeds. So we're back at the shop. Alex is over here. He got too many things on his mind. He wants to pick up lawnmowers. He wants to cut the grass. He wants to get on the skid steer. He wants to work on his boat. He don't know what he wants to do. We got Dougie outside weed whacking. Because we were talking last time. They were asking me about weed whacking. Let's check it out. I'll show you what's going on. We got all this weed whacking to do. Dougie is running with that weed whack. Running it. Oh yeah. A mess out here. Oh! Hopefully it's not poison ivy.
Well,
if it is, I don't think it is, but
I don't want to fuck with it.
don't mess with it now.
No, I'm trying to get the stuff as close as I can
Yeah.
to the wall.
It ain't coming out? Yeah, we smack it a couple times. That's Dougie working hard out here. Shit, we gotta clean up, man. It's a mess. We could get a view of the shop so you can see it from outside. Yep, there's the front of the shop there. The front yard here. This thing hasn't been started in a while. Let's see if she's started. Let me try to start. You gotta. This old girl needs a little bit of, little sniffy iffy in her. Don't fuck up the starter. Tear up my door. What do you need? The bucket? We got a grapple, but this snow bucket is way too big. We got this stump bucket, my favorite, and the boom pole. Yeah, water. There's no water in there. The well pump is shot. Now there's bees coming out and shit. Oh, they're swarming.
I can get the bees out.
Yeah, all right. Tilt forward. Yeah, go back. Alright, you gotta grab this.
Where do you want me to grab it? You spread them open. I'm rusty. Hold on.
I can see.
I'm rusty. It's been about a month.
You're not smooth. You're real jerky.
It's an old machine. You gotta, you know.
You're gonna tear up these fittings. You're going the wrong way, dude. You know what you're doing? Oh, go forward. Drive forward. You're gonna rip the hydraulic. All right, up.
Down.
All right.
Watch out, I'm gonna put it there.
Just go down slow. Go slow. Oh damn, dude, what are you doing, bro?
Damn. First time driving it?
Nah, but he's looking real fucking dirty.
That's what happens, man. It's rusty. You know, I'm rusty yet.
Yeah, this guy don't know how to operate this machine. He's gonna tear my shit up. Come on, throw the bucket down, down.
I got my brake on. I'm a mess.
Hopefully not. Alright, hold on, not that. Stop, just stay right there. Don't do nothing. Push it up.
good now. That's what I needed.
Are you sure? Don't tear my grass up. We got this big ass bucket. We're supposed to have a 72-inch bucket, but this is the only bucket we got. We got a 66-inch bucket, but it needs welding. Going too deep. The idea is we gotta grade this whole area out. We demoed trees. We leveled it out a little bit, but it's real rough, so we can't mow here. We're lucky. We can mow it at all, honestly. Over there is real nasty. I got stuck.
I'm gonna turn around. I'm actually gonna scoop something there, fill in.
Well, there's a big hill somewhere.
Work it smooth so I can get it less bumpy while I'm working.
That's a hill, I think. Oh, you're digging in. You're hitting a big ass rock.
Big ass rock. Look at it. Plugged in all the way. No, it don't sound good.
Don't sound good at all.
No. You've been running it for a while?
No, I just started it up.
I was here. I was like, man, that thing sounds terrible. Yeah, that would be good.
I said, okay, right now this is too wet, so we got to let it dry out.
No shit.
And then when... Right now that should do something, you know?
Had to get them in there. Uh-oh, we got company.
Are you on the TV? Sorry.
The TV.
Hi, babies. Both my babies. Hi.
Look over here.
What's up? Peace. That's right.
I don't. Alex is procrastinating because he don't want to work on his boat. We got the two boats here. This is the Rinky Dinky. We didn't come up with a name for this guy, but we got two projects here.
Sorry.
And Alex got them packed in here. He got them packed in here like sardines now. So this one, my boat, it's an IO 305 Merc Cruiser. He's a new engine. The head was bad, but I looked inside the motor.
This is big inside.
You've been in this boat before now?
I know I was in your boats. Is this the
This
same
is
one?
it.
I don't remember
This was you went on the water, right?
Yeah.
This is the one. Yeah, it needs some work too, but.
Oh, nice.
He got the fiberglass. He wants to see how it's gonna lay out. Let's see.
What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna take these guys out, and then I'll seal this. I'll vacuum it up, seal this, and I want to get this all. I'm gonna pour resin in here, get it all nice and tight on there, and then I'm gonna cap it with this thing, and then I'll, you know, get this, work this all the way to the front. I'll go down like so. I'm just saying, obviously fiberglass.
You gotta fiberglass that first before you put these pieces.
I want to lock this in, yeah, and then I could get this in here. So where these boards are going, there's no original fiberglass right now. I might have to trim an 1/8 inch off, then I'll fiberglass these guys into that.
I know last time we kind of jumped right into this project. We didn't have any context on it. Like this boat here, besides the stringers that we're replacing, it needs a couple other things. So the transom here, you look, there's a crack here. Don't worry about it. This transom's all loose. So this is gonna be, after we finish these stringers, we're gonna have to get up in here and rip out all the temporary shit they did and redo the transom. That's gonna be the next thing before we could get this thing out. Let's plan on putting a steel plate. When are you getting the gas tank? Oh, you got it? But you have the adapter? We got all these ignition parts put on it, but we never ran it. So we wanna get this tank hooked up and actually run it. I just sprayed some starter fluid last time. We got it to turn over a little bit. So get this sitting somewhere. So I might have to trim a little bit off of here. I don't know which way I want to put it yet. Fill a neck or a fill cap. If you end up sealing all this shit in and having the gas tank in there, you really want to have a blower.
That's just a fan with it too, right?
Hoses, yeah.
Like push this to where I could get this to go under a little bit.
That's what I'm thinking. And then to fill it, you just open the seat.
Open this. That was the original plan.
Yeah. Hey, with the bucket. There's a 96 and that's a 66 inch bucket. And the 96 is too big. Let's get this pup started.
What's happening? What's going on?
We gotta adjust this.
Yeah.
You gotta put that wheel on. This shit's fucked up, man. Everything we got is broken. So the mower deck got a lift here. There's an adjuster here. It doesn't hold it where it's supposed to be. So what do you got? One thing?
That's all I have.
There we go. Man,
What are you looking for?
you didn't hear me?
No.
Dude, did you hear?
The pin?
All the adjustments fell off this thing. This thing's basically fucking trash. Here, give me that one. Garbage. Piece is on there still.
Oh, what are you smoking, man? I got all worked up.
Yo, drop that deck. So I was bugging out. We got an extra, the pin still on the bottom. That's it. Is that a nylon?
No.
We graded some in the front. I'm gonna cut some spots with the mower. We got Duggie cutting with the weed whacker. Duggie Fresh is our painter. But he was asking me if I got any work for him. And I said, no, I don't got no painting right now. But you could weed whack some shit. He can't handle it, honestly. Especially now. After you hit a bong and freaking rip the Corona down. I was looking for a nylon. Here we go. Every time we do anything, we gotta fix something. Nothing works right around here. Alex rearranged the shop. It does look a little more open. We gotta clean up all this shit. We got shit everywhere. You know, this place is, we cleaned up. That's a mess. This whole corner is all tool bags that no one's used. Like the 1968 Ford 3000. You might have saw it in my last video. I guess I'll follow you down there. Power steering, baby, power steering.
professional, man. You know how to work that thing? Ed's about to tear up all my work. He's doing a pretty good job, actually. Oh yeah.
That's the way he wants it, a little bit that way.
He's pretty good, yeah. I got it. I'll clip it first.
Whoa, stick the bush.
Duggie Fresh lost his phone.
It's over here, maybe it's over here.
You left it over there?
Yeah, maybe over here, yeah.
Hopefully it's over here, because if it's in there, it's gone.
I really need
I got it.
You got it?
you got it.
What are you doing?
No, I really need to grab one. I'm trying to move this thing.
What happened?
No, we need to grab it.
You leave everything right there. Hey,
But-
well,
I'm not gonna switch it right now just for that one piece.
you might as well leave it right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it right here because it's not gonna rain, right? We can
No,
put
not
it
to
away
rain till fucking next week sometime, bro.
because we need to gravel,
Yeah.
and I need to get the other shit out of there.
Yeah, you ain't gravel.
Oh, that looks pretty good. Oh, look at look at the deer.
I know.
Let's do a walk. Look, he's got the blower going in there. They're just so beautiful. Let's do a walk through the
So we're trying to grade this out here, so we can finally actually get these dead trees. There's a lot of dead trees. Get those out and level this down to the bank. So and then eventually you want to plant grass. Cut these trees right here. Probably cut these too. Put grass here. Wrap a lot of shit actually. That we got to get all those things out of there. Neighbor loves his deer. Okay, look at we had this graded out. You know, Al was over here grading, and he was doing a really good job. But the professional had to get in there and really fine-tune it a little better. And you know, it still worked. There's a lump there. We got to still pull that back.
See?
I'm trying to that hill. I'm trying to pull down.
I know.
Trying to pull the hill down.
Why didn't? Yeah, that's another thing. I didn't know how far you wanted me to
I
go.
want to do the fence.
You really did fine-tune it.
When they do the fence, we need it like both sides even. It can't be one side real high, one side low. It's pretty even with the pad.
Not bad. Yeah, I thought that was it from the film.
No. I
No,
try to
boy.
keep it like this.
Yeah, this looks good. And it's
Yeah, well,
smooth enough.
we got to go through and grade this
a little bit here. and
finally. And honestly, maybe I get the rake. They have the 3-point rake for the tractor,
there. Really?
where I could back up, drop it, and
That big thing with the forks, right? And
yeah,
this looks nice, though.
this is a lot better.
Cleaned up nice, yeah.
Yeah, there's a little work to do here because I want to get it so when I put the fence, it's not a big lump.
Yeah.
And it's kind of coming in.
This tree gotta go.
We got to take that tree out. Yeah, this tree got to come out. We're gonna
Get
pull
that
this back
pulled
more.
out.
Keep pulling,
Yep.
and
For
then
now, I mean, this definitely came a long way. See, I tried to get up next to the chicken coop. I pulled that shit so at least you could get in
what are you
there.
talking about? I did that.
No. Oh, I stopped right here. That's what, yo, so you did here.
I did over here a
Yeah,
little
I
bit.
did here. That's
Okay,
funny.
yeah, I was
That's
like
funny.
saying, no, I did that shit. But yeah, this is looking
Looks
a lot
good,
better.
man. It looks good.
See that high spot? You could take where that tree
Yeah,
is.
it's gonna be hard to tell until you get this taken out. You gotta get all this, remove this big pile of brush, and then you could come this way and really grade the whole thing together nice.
Yeah, there's a lot of work to
But
do
it's
over here.
definitely, it's looking good for a
A lot
couple
of work
hours.
to do.
Keep up with it. You can't let it get 3 feet of friggin'.
But that was actually never mowed since the beginning of the season.
We tried to run a tractor.
I once. Yeah.
Right.
Oh, deer over there, yeah.
There's a lot of them. There's Bambi, the big one back there.
Is it?
Yeah, oh wow, it's a real small one back there. Look at that.
No, that's
No, the big buck. Big buck right there behind the bush. He's got the
big buckaroo.
street behind the bush. And
Some venison?
Yeah, man, that's fucking
Venison's
great
good
meat.
stuff.
That's good meat. You gotta marinate for like 28 hours.
Yeah, you marinated that long, huh?
Yeah. You know?
Look at our fridge. 1930. 100 years old.
The gaming taste.
Oh yeah, it's a little game.
What's this made by?
GE.
Oh man, it's definitely worth it. It's a picture.
Yeah, GE.
Exactly how much that
This guy's 100 years old. And she's still working. He, she, whatever it is. I don't know the pronouns of this thing, but this came out pretty good too. Watch this rake, it's facing right up. Look at it. Take someone's feet right on. This graded out pretty nice. Let it dry out a little more. Next time we'll fine tune it a little more. Get all this up. That'll be good.
Dried up pretty decent.
Yeah, no, it's looking good.
should be
Real nice.
Take all that shit out, clean that.
Yeah.
Just keep throwing them in a pot. So yeah, we're about to wrap it up for today. We're just doing various different things. We were bouncing around from one area to another, just trying to get little things done here and there because the front was too wet to finish. The back, we need to fine tune it more. We'll get rid of these piles next time. All right, guys, we're out of here.